they're built on some very common principles, right? The first one being that you're going after a problem that's not fully defined, which means you need to have an understanding of the problem, right? The second being that, they're very iterative. So you act, you learn, you act, you learn, etc. And the third element is that they're built around the customer or the user, where you try to understand how that person is actually experiencing the problem, in their experience. Of course, the mechanics are slightly different. Agile comes from a software engineering domain. Design thinking comes from the design world of industrial product design. And lean startup comes from the startup ecosystem. So there are differences in the way, in the mechanics, in some of the tools that they bring. But fundamentally, they belong to a same class of methods. If you're a leader trying to solve a problem, or if you're an innovator, if you're a problem solver, the question that you have to ask yourself first is, what kind of problem, am I dealing with, right? What is this problem that I'm looking at? Is this a well-defined problem, or is this an ill-defined problem or a wicked problem? And are you using the right approaches, the right classes of methods to sort of begin that problem-solving effort? So if I'm an innovator or a problem solver or leader leading my team to innovate and solve problems that have not been solved before, this is the place I would start with these two questions.